Welcome to Keto Alicious. Hey, I am outside today on day 5. It's so beautiful out here. I wanted to enjoy a little bit of the sun, and I'm holding my camera here, so I'll try not to wobble it too much, but see my beautiful backyard, and I just wanted to spend some time out here with you guys. Let you know everything is going very well. As you know, I had for dinner last night spatchcock chicken and it was wonderful. I made it with some Brussels sprouts, and I also I think I put some bacon in it or something. Anyway, it was to die for. It was so wonderful. Got an airplane above my head, so it's kind of noisy here, but today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about keto criticism. I know that I have heard, I'll talk about friends in general can be hard, or they've tried something and they didn't feel like it worked, and so, they're the first ones to give you their opinions. But, I look at all the foods that are out there, the box foods, the canned foods. I look at those and I see what is in those ingredients. And if you Google those, it'll scare you. It really will. It'll scare the heck right out of you. So I just want to touch base and just kind of talk a little bit about that today as your motivation, because I'll tell you what, I don't really do a lot of packaged foods, and especially with the keto, I've been trying to make a lot more things that are homemade and right fresh, and and I've been trying to do this for a while now, and it is amazing the difference that you feel. It is amazing the prices that you can save when you don't buy all the condiments and all of the the packaged things that go with your meats, and fresh vegetables and some fruits and condiments and drinks. If you just make them, they're wonderful. They don't have any crap in them, and they're really, really good. So for today on day 5, I haven't measured again, or I'm sorry, I haven't weighed again. I probably won't do that until Sunday or Monday, but I will give you my results on, whatever happens. I just, I feel like I'm doing really, really well. I have not taken any strips or anything to see if I'm in ketosis. I am really just following my numbers, and I think I will get into that eventually. I just don't want to overpower any of you guys, or make it to where you feel like you have so much to buy. I just don't want to do that. And I don't want to feel like that either, because there's a lot of products that are keto name on them, and I just, but back to the processed foods. A lot of people talk about how they think keto is so expensive, and I've been doing it, and of course I only have one. Actually, my husband's eating keto too. He just doesn't know it. But so I just, I really just think it's important to understand that if you go, the more natural you go, for ketchup, make your ketchup. It's tomato sauce and a few other ingredients that have no sugar in them, and I can't tell the difference. Barbecue sauce, same thing. You can make barbecue sauce, with all of our products that we use for keto to sweeten it up. Teriyaki sauce. All of those sauces are so easy to make, cream sauces. So I'm going to incorporate a lot more of those into Keto-alicious too, I think. Either that or I'm going to write a cookbook on keto condiments. Um, because, I really feel like a lot of people would save a lot of money if they kind of went that direction and they kind of saw the differences between the two. So, anyway, I'm outside here. I'm not going to keep this long today. I just want to throw some motivation at you and, tell you that if expense is something that's stopping you from starting keto, don't let it, because you can do this fairly inexpensive, I believe. I don't feel like I've spent anything more than what I have when I was buying junk. So I feel good. I feel like I have everything I need. I have all of the different types of recipes for our foods that I have to make the recipes. Um, so stick with me. And hang in there. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna get up here now and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this day, and I'm going to maybe even take a little walk. I haven't really started exercise, but I'm just doing it one step at a time, and that's okay. There's no rules. You don't have to, you know, do what feels good to you. Okay? I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Keep strong, keep ketoing, and I will talk to you tomorrow, day 6. Bye-bye.